I am Genghis Khan, Temujin. Born into a nomadic tribe in the 12th century, I rose to become the emperor who forged the largest empire in the history. I am a visionary leader and founder of the Mongol Empire. I succeeded in uniting nomadic tribes, forming a consolidated, unstoppable, powerful force that conquered lands beyond the magnitude of your imagination. Stretching from Asia to Europe, my empire spanned over 30 million square kilometers, making it the largest contiguous empire the world has ever seen. My army was renowned for its flexibility, discipline, and organization. I achieved all of that not by coincidence. I established my empire upon meritocratic principles, in which individual people are rewarded and appointed based on their ability, performance, and talent, rather than their wealth or social class. From my young age, I exhibited extraordinary leadership skills. I quickly mastered horseback riding and archery. My military strategies were innovative and astonished even my enemies. I utilized skilled cavalry and employed tactics that were ahead of time. My rule was not only about power and expansion. I implemented system of law and governance within my empire, ensuring respect for the diverse customs, beliefs, and opinions within my empire. I connected East and West civilizations and made sure that trade routes are strongly protected. With that, the trade flourished and cultures blended, leading to the exchange of ideas and advancements in the world. I introduced a postal system, facilitating communication across vast distances at unheard of speeds. I was also an advocate for the arts and sciences, encouraging intellectual development within my empire. I offered my allies protection in exchange for loyalty. My influence extends far beyond my lifetime, shaping the cultures and civilizations of the lands I conquered. I am Genghis Khan, the one and only. Follow your dreams and accept challenges. Think beyond and do not give up just because there are obstacles. You will for sure achieve and be successful, because greatness comes from within.